you're an old retro gaming fan, then this console is for you. Built-in 400 classic games with mirror display, it means you can connect to TV and display on big TV screen. It is portable, lightweight with USB cable charging that provides more than 6 hours of continuous gameplay. Enjoy your time playing racing, adventure, fighting, and shooting games. If you are looking for wire-free earphone, then you should take a look on this ergonomic design wireless Bluetooth earphones. Comfortable and perfect fits for all ears. You will experience high-quality stereo sound whatever you are doing. 2 hours charging time will give you 4 hours talk time. And most important thing that it comes with, revolutionary portable charging box. It can charge your earbuds 3 times once it charges. This is advanced home theater with Android 8.1 OS for fast and stable running. It comes with a TV box, 1 infrared remote control, power charging adapter, HDMI cable, and user manual. It stores and queries personal information, including documents, files, data forms, and web pages. Faster boot up, response, and a transmission with 2 GB of RAM and 64 GB of ROM. Supports 4K video, built-in Wi-Fi, and high-quality quad-core chipsets provides you excellent performance.